Hello again. This is chapter 2 concerning introductory to high level programming. In this chapter, we shall deal with flow of control, or sometimes called control flow. In this chapter, we shall cover selection and then we shall cover loops or repetitions. In loops, we shall use while construct, then we shall learn how to use the for construct, and then we shall learn how to use the do while construct. Okay, concerning selection, what is selection? In brief, selection is a situation whereby the computer will have to choose the set of instructions to be executed while not executing another set of instruction. That will depend on satisfaction of a certain condition. Now, the set of instructions that will be executed are called branch taken, and the set of instructions that will not be executed is called branch not taken. So just one part of the code is executed while the other is not executed. Now, to understand this, let us come back to our worked example. This is a program, and this program will employ the keyword if and else in order to implement selection. The program that you see in front of you is a calculator, and this calculator normally, actually, it does division, as you can see here, and if it doesn't do the division, it will perform multiplication, as you see. Now, in order for division or multiplication to be done, a certain condition will have to be fulfilled. That condition is here. If A greater than B, then division will be done. Else, multiplication will be done. So that is in brief what this calculator does. Now let us analyze this particular program line by line. As we have already seen from previous videos, these three first statements are libraries. The fourth statement is the header of our function, and the fifth statement is the opening curly bracket, which is closing with the curly bracket at line number 17, starting of the paragraph, ending of the paragraph. Now, at line number 6 is where variable declaration starts. A variable called A is declared, another variable called B is declared, another variable called C is declared. So we have three variables declared in this particular program. Now what follows is cout, enter an integer. There is no variable here. This is an output, and the output is the string that is enclosed in these inverted commas. The word enter an integer will appear on the screen. And with this particular function endl, the end of line will be implemented. Now at line number 10, the input stream of C++ is used to enter data into variable A, which was declared here. Similarly, at line number 11, a message is sent to the screen, enter another integer, and a line feed is implemented. At this particular line number 12, variable B will receive data from the keyboard due to this input stream Cin. Then at line number 13 now, a condition is set. If the value in A is greater than the value that was entered in B, then the division is performed here, and we shall get the quotient going into variable C. So the message will say the quotient is this one, this value, and the value that is in variable C will be outputted at line number 16. Else, if the value in A is not greater than the value in B, it means the value in B is greater than the value in A, then what we are going to see is a multiplication. The computer will do multiplication instead of division, and we shall see the word product, and the output will come from C again, which will be the product of the two numbers that we have entered. Now that marks the end of selection, and this is the end of line, return, that is the end of program, and that is how this particular program could be explained using text discussion as we have done. Next is that we shall now compile this program and see how it is executed in the computer. For now, bye-bye.